In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track Typeform using Google Tag Manager. If you've ever wondered how to seamlessly integrate Typeform with Google Tag Manager to gain valuable insights, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by heading over to Typeform and navigating straight to the Workspaces section. Once there, you'll want to select the specific form you're interested in tracking. This is important because the form you choose will be the one whose interactions you'll be monitoring, so take a moment to ensure you've selected the correct form. Now once you have the form open and ready, look for the Connect option. This is your gateway to linking Typeform with external applications, such as Google Tag Manager. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a variety of integration options. Here, you need to type in Google Tag Manager in the integrations search bar as it appears in the drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on it to initiate the connection process. After selecting Google Tag Manager, you'll be prompted to connect. Click on Connect, and now it's time to bring in the crucial component, your GTM container ID. This ID is what will hook Typeform into your Google Tag Manager setup. Paste your GTM container ID into the designated area, ensuring accuracy, as any errors could disrupt data flow between Typeform and GTM. The next step involves setting up Typeform event tracking within Google Tag Manager. This will help you take full advantage of the interaction data being captured. Essentially, this is where you define which user actions within your Typeform need to be tracked. Head into your GTM account, navigate through your workspace, and dedicate a few moments to outline precisely what events you wish to monitor. Once you've set this up, it's time to create GTM triggers. Triggers are conditions within GTM that tell it when to record specific data points. When these conditions are met, data will be captured and sent. Define these triggers based on the interactions you mapped out earlier. Remember, the more specific you are with your triggers, the more accurate and insightful your data will be. Now let's bring it all home by setting up tags in Google Tag Manager. Tags are snippets of code that tell GTM what data to send. Configure these tags to send the data you've determined is important. This is a critical step as it ensures that the right information is being captured effectively. Finally, before we wrap up, it's crucial to test everything in GTM preview mode. This ensures that your integration is functioning correctly before it goes live. In preview mode, you can simulate your Typeform interactions and see exactly what data is being captured by GTM in real time. If everything looks good, you're all set for a successful integration, and there you have it, a comprehensive guide to tracking Typeform with Google Tag Manager. By following these steps, you're now equipped to capture valuable user interactions and gather insights to optimize your forms. Thanks for tuning in, and happy tracking.